Hey guys, it's Cole from Cole's Quilts, and I just wanted to come on to show you an unboxing because I just went to Quilting Mayhem and bought myself a new machine, and I'm so excited. Before I open it up, I also want to say that although I haven't ironed out exactly the time frame for the quilt along, I did go through and I drew up all the blocks that are just 2 or 3 pieces like I showed you in the first video, and I have posted those on my website. So there are more blocks up there, and then I'm hoping to post a new set of 2 blocks once a week. And you will be seeing me sewing them with my new sewing machine. So let me show you. Guess what it is? It's a Bernina, of course, because I love Berninas. There's my owner's manual. I'm gonna move some of these other parts out of the way so you can see actual machine. Here's my nice little accessory case and my feet. Got some good feet and the bobbins that hold way more, technically 70% more thread than your standard bobbin. So here she is. I'm going to pull her out, but I have to warn you that I haven't named her yet. So maybe people could comment and let me know what you think I should name her. My old Bernina is named Bernie, and my long arm is named Max. So here she is. This is my new baby. She's a B475. So here she is. Here are all the parts she came with. I got feet number 1, 2, 5, 4, 3.7. Got a buttonholer, some thread, some needles, a seam ripper. Yes, thank you, because I was telling the lady at Quilting Mayhem I have a million seam rippers because I keep losing them. Little screwdriver, little brush, needles, extra bobbins, this nice case for holding all the accessories in. This is not one of the very expensive Berninas, but it's a little higher than the Bernadettes. So I think based on my research, this was like just right for me because I don't do embroidery. I don't need any fancy stitching. I really just use it for piecing, but I want a good quality machine that'll last me a long time. And in all my time sewing, I really feel like Bernina is like the way to go based on the machines that I've used. So stay tuned for my next quilt along video because I'll be using her for the quilt along, and let me know in the comments what you think I should name her.